welcome to another Lawn Fawn video. Today we are going to be taking a look at our brand new paper collection, Falling Leaves. This collection is so perfect for fall and beyond, and we have the papers in both a 12 by 12 size and a 6 by 6 size. So first, let's take a look at the 12 by 12 size. We have the 12 by 12 size in a collection pack, and in the collection pack, you get 2 of each paper for a total of 12 papers. You can also get these in individual packs, so you could get a pack of the yellow, just 12 of the yellow sheets. This is really great if you're doing something like invitations or mass-producing cards. So I love that there's lots of different ways to get to 12 by 12 papers. And here is a look at the beautiful patterns in Falling Leaves. This is the maple paper that has that beautiful red design, and then a red gingham on the background. Next, we have oak, which is kind of like a peachy pink color, which once again has the falling leaves on the front, and then this really beautiful kind of plaid gingham-y design on the back. This right here is our elm paper, which is this beautiful yellow. Oh, I love it. It's just like the perfect golden yellow for fall. And of course, the gingham on the back. This is pine, which is a gorgeous green. And what I love about this green is the gingham on the back works really, really great for the holidays and really great for fall, which is awesome. This is linden, and this blue is so pretty. And the blue gingham on the back, I know I'm going to use on so many cards, and those blue leaves are just so beautiful. And then the last paper is chestnut, which is this really pretty like brownish gray color. It's just gorgeous with the fall leaves and of course the gingham on the background too. And then here is a comparison between all of the different patterns. I love that you can mix and match these together. The colors are so beautiful for fall and for beyond, and those falling leaves, oh my goodness, they just make me smile. Now, next up, we have the 6 by 6 pad. And in the 6 by 6 pad, we have 36 sheets, and the patterns are reduced by about 50% from the 12 by 12 papers. And so you get 3 of each of the designs, which is awesome because you don't need to hoard your papers. And you can see that we have the beautiful red, pink, yellow, green, blue, and kind of beigey color in all of these. And oh my goodness, I just love these smaller patterns. And then here again, you can see how all of the patterns repeat so that you end up getting 3 of each of these beautiful papers. Now I wanted to show you a comparison between the 6 by 6 and the 12 by 12. And you can see the scale difference in the papers. And I mix and match these on my projects just depending on the look that I'm going for, which is so awesome. I love having both options of the bigger print and the smaller print. They're just so pretty. Now next up, we have 4 brand new washi tapes. We have No Tricks, Just Treats, we have Santa and Friends washi tape, a Latte Love, and then also Book Club washi tape. And these washi tapes are absolutely adorable. I am so in love with them. First up, we have our No Tricks, Just Treats washi tape, which is so perfect for Halloween. I love the soft orange in the background, and you can see all of the cute little smiley faces that are on the little bags and buckets. And then I love the little spiders that appear too. Oh my goodness, this is just so perfect for Halloween. Next up, we have our Santa and Friends washi tape, which is absolutely adorable. And I love that the Santa and the reindeer are interacting in different ways all throughout the washi tape, which just makes me smile. This is so perfect for not only your holiday card envelopes, but I like wrapping things in craft paper and then using washi tape to decorate for the holidays. Next up, we have our Latte Love washi tape, which is perfect for all of the coffee lovers in your life. I love all of the different styles of cups and the little smiley faces. Oh my goodness, they're just adorable. And then my personal favorite washi tape is the Book Club washi tape. The little stacks of books, the plants, everything about this is just the cutest thing ever. I love it so much. I need like 20 rolls of it. It's just adorable. And then here you can see a close-up of these super cute designs, so perfect for fall, winter, and beyond. Now next up, we're going to take a look at some brand new twine. We came out with this new style of twine in summer, and now we have 4 colors that are perfect for fall. We have black, orange, purple, and white, and this is in that thinner style. It's made out of hemp, so it holds bows perfectly, and that nice thin style looks so amazing on cards. And here you can see it compared to our original colors. So I love that it helps fill in the rainbow, and it's so nice to have the neutrals of the white and black now. Next up, we have some incredible projects by the design team, and this one by Melissa is so beautiful. She used the brand new Falling Leaves paper to create a super cute layout with a Halloween theme. I love the little stitch pumpkins that she added in the leaves and all of those rounded rectangles too. This card by Audrey is so sweet. She used the new Tada maple leaf window, and she used little strips of that brand new pattern paper to create the most gorgeous fall leaf. This card by Megan is so fun, and it shows how that gingham is the perfect background for any card. This Ta-Da diorama by Shari is so much fun and it uses so many of the gorgeous falling leaf papers. And as you open it up, you get the surprise of the brand new You Crow Girl stamp set. So cute and so perfect for fall. And speaking of Ta-Da dioramas, we have a super cute one by Mindy, also with an adorable fall theme. I love those fall leaves peeking through that fall leaf window. And as you look inside, you get our cute little You Autumn Know mice jumping around in the leaves, and it is just adorable. We have another stunning layout by Melissa, and this is just adorable. Falling leaves is perfect for both Halloween and fall layouts, and these papers look so beautiful, layered over top of each other and with gorgeous inking and stitching techniques too, and they're really fun mixed and matched with favorite dyes like these adorable stitch pumpkins. Now, one of the other things that I love about Falling Leaves is it's really great for die cutting, and here Shari die cut the brand new book collection books from the Falling Leaf papers to give them the most adorable patterns. And then here, this Ta-Da diorama by Grace. Oh my goodness, is that not the cutest thing with the little squirrels? And as you open it up, you get the squirrels playing around and the little squirrel reading. I mean, oh my goodness, this is just the cutest and sweetest thing. And then the Falling Leaves papers are really perfect for swivel surprise cards too here. I love the leaves in the background, and as you open it up, you get that gorgeous gingham as this great base for this super cute little woodland library theme. So we cannot wait to see all of your Falling Leaves projects and washi tape and twine projects, so make sure to share them with us. Thank you so much for watching today, and I hope you have an absolutely amazing day. Bye!